as a government, spent a lot of time over the last decade trying to build the digital infrastructure framework within which we had ensured that we have brought in the data security and also data privacy elements, and also created what is the India Stack, which actually is an indigenously developed technology driven enabler, so that innovations which are coming across for creating platforms such as the API platforms, which is open API, which has enabled us to come up with this universal identity, biometric based, which we call Aadhaar. Subsequently, we have also created a database, a platform which is used for the GST, the Goods and Services Tax Network. Similarly, we have also made sure that the bills payment systems and the unified payment interface have all been created under the India Stack, because there was a common public good which has been brought into the element of digital innovations that the government funds and develops, into which many of the private sector have also come into play, and they have also joined their forces in making sure that this public good is used for common collective good in a way. Now, if you look at simultaneously the way in which the startup environment is building up, India has the third largest ecosystem. In fact, if I may put it this way, 1 in 4 startups belong to the fintech world, and they are now increasingly becoming unicorns also. 20 unicorns belonging to fintech within the last 2-3 years. And in fact, the adoption rate, as they say, if I use 2019 data, the digital adoption rate in India is about 85%, whereas globally that same year it was only somewhere near 64%. So the pandemic time actually helped us to test and prove for ourselves that it is simple to use, common people can use it, and adoption actually was proven, and the data statistics of 2019 got corroborated because common people started using it in a big way. The government also did direct benefit transfer, because from 2014, every Indian citizen has been given, in the name of financial inclusion, a bank account. And using the biometric identity that we have used to verify the account, so that no ghost claimant can be there, government's benefits which reach common people, very poor people, through the direct benefit transfer, directly went into their accounts, thereby giving a very clear, transparent image that there cannot be any pilferages. So the confidence in the common public also got built. Therefore, the digital infrastructure that we had created over a decade has actually been effectively tried and tested during this time. That actually is the trigger for us to have announced in the February 2022 budget that we'll come up with a central bank driven currency, digital currency. So that, for an opening remark, this is what is actually driven the whole process. And if I can give you just one more data, nearly 299 million people in the rural areas of India have all now become digitally savvy. And to that number today, we have brought in 135 million more, so that the benefits can reach people and everything can be done through their phones rather than going to the bank. And these phones are not smartphones. Many of them are feature phones which today can benefit from the technological revolution which is going on in the country.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.